breaking news on new home sales and consumer confidence.
Yeah, pending home sales on a month-over-month basis falling much more than estimated. In fact, an increase was estimated. So pending home sales down by 4.1%. That follows a revised drop of 5.8%. This is for the month of February, we should mention. So falling to February from January. And if you look at the year-over-year figure, that is also a decline of 5.4%, and 9.2% in January. So in other words, pending home sales. So those where the sale is not yet final, but is pending, we have definitely been seeing a decline there. And these numbers do reflect that, a little bit of rockiness coming in. This is the fourth straight month that we have seen that pending home sales number decline. So interesting here. It looks like it has partly to do with the number of homes for sale. That's according to the National Association of Realtors chief economist in his statement. He says pending transactions diminished mainly due to the low number of homes for sale, and that it is a very competitive market right now. So we'll see how that plays out. We also got University of Michigan consumer confidence, the final number for March, coming in at 59.4. That is just 0.3% lower than had been estimated. As we see, some of the consumer confidence numbers have been waning here because of inflation. So that number is the lowest in about a decade, that 59.4 that I mentioned here. So we're not necessarily seeing much reaction in stocks. These are not necessarily market moving numbers. They just kind of give us the big picture as to how consumers are feeling right now. And of course, the housing market, a part of that, as you pointed out earlier, mortgage rates are going up as well. That's another big factor.
And in addition to, Julie, like we were talking about yesterday in the show, the supply chains for these home builders are challenging. You have a company like KB Home talking about it on its earnings call this week. They can't get garage doors. They can't get ductwork type material. They can't get deck material, roofing material. So if you do not have these materials, you cannot go out there and build a home. And if you cannot build a home, can't buy one.